Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Jeon, full guide. Start by draining excess kimchi juice and chopping kimchi into bite-sized pieces. Combine flour, water, and egg into a slightly lumpy batter, then fold in kimchi and scallions. Let the batter rest briefly while you heat a skillet with oil to medium-high. Prepare dipping sauce with soy sauce, vinegar, and a pinch of sugar to serve alongside the pancakes. Warm and friendly tip time. Measure ingredients and mix gently to avoid overworking the batter. Use a spatula to fold in kimchi and scallions so pieces stay intact and the texture stays light. Adjust thickness with kimchi juice so the batter spreads easily but still holds together. Resting the batter for a few minutes helps flavors marry and prevents tearing during flipping. Heat oil sufficient to crisp the exterior without burning the interior. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, if your car smells like yesterday's groceries after a shopping trip, Little Tree's Black Ice is a fast, fresh fix, and it smells great after hauling kimchi and scallion bundles to the market. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For perfect Kimchi Jeon, heat a large skillet over medium-high and add oil to coat the surface. Spoon batter to form a thin pancake, press gently, and cook until edges are crisp and browned. Flip carefully and finish until both sides are golden and interior is set. Transfer to a plate, cut into wedges, and serve immediately with the prepared dipping sauce. Enjoy with a cold beverage and share while hot for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.